So what are you going to talk with us today?
I'm going to talk you through the first 6 steps that you'll need to take to prepare for the GDPR changes.
What's the first step?
The first step is awareness. So you should make sure that the decision makers and key people in your organisation are aware that the law is changing to the GDPR. They need to appreciate the impact this is likely to have and identify areas that could cause compliance problems under GDPR.
What's the second step?
The second step is relating to information you hold. You should document what personal data you hold, where it came from and who you share it with. You may need to organise an information audit across the organisation or within particular business areas.
How about the third step?
The third step is communication privacy information. You should review your current privacy notices and put a plan in place for making any necessary changes in time for GDPR implementation.
What's the fourth step?
The fourth step relates to individuals' rights. You should check your procedures to ensure they cover all the rights individuals have, including how you would delete personal data or provide data electronically and in a commonly used format.
How about the fifth step?
The fifth step is subject access requests. You should update your procedures and plan how you'll handle requests to take account of the new rules.
And what's the sixth step?
The sixth step is the lawful basis for processing personal data. You should identify the lawful basis for your processing activity under GDPR, document it and update your privacy notice to explain it.
So you've talked us through the first 6 steps. What are the next ones?
Okay, so step 7 is consent. You should review how you seek, record and manage consent and whether you need to make any changes. Refresh existing consents now if they don't meet the GDPR standard.
What's step 8?
Step 8 relates to children, so you should start thinking now about whether you need to put systems in place to verify individuals' ages and to obtain parental or guardian consent for any data processing activity.
How about step 9?
Step 9 is data breaches. You should make sure you have the right procedures in place to detect, report and investigate a personal data breach.
What's step 10?
Step 10 is data protection by design and data protection impact assessments. It has always been good practice to adopt a privacy by design approach and to carry out a privacy impact assessment as part of this. However, the GDPR makes privacy by design an express legal requirement under the term data protection by design and by default.
How about step 11?
Step 11 relates to data protection officers. You should assign someone to take responsibility for data protection compliance and assess where this role will sit within the organisation's structure and governance arrangements.
And finally, what's step 12?
Step 12 relates to international. So if you're an organisation that operates in more than one EU member state, you should determine your lead data protection supervisory authority and document this.